This election, BJP leaders collectively gave a slogan that talks about a guarantee. Modi's guarantee. BJP's guarantee for the future. But can we trust these guarantees? First, let's go back and see their past guarantees and what they have delivered. The first guarantee Modi gave was on the petrol price. In 2014, the price of petrol was almost 71 rupees per litre. On that day, in the international market, the crude oil was almost $113 per barrel. But by adjusting the excise duty, Dr. Singh managed to keep the price of petrol at 71 rupees per litre without burdening the people of India with additional excise tax. But however, even then, Modi criticized, "Give me 50 days and I will reduce the price of petrol to rupees 50. The public believed this and they voted. Instead of 50 days, Modi got almost 3,650 days. But today, the price of petrol is at rupees 106 per litre when the crude oil is at $83 per barrel. In the past 10 years, the price has never dropped significantly. Modi could not reduce the price, not even once in the last 10 years of BJP rule. He never fulfilled his promise, making this a fake guarantee. Next was gas price. In 2014, the price of cooking gas was 410 rupees. But BJP took it to the streets and did dramatic protest, claiming that they would reduce the price of LPG if they came into power. People believed it, voted. But the price of gas never decreased, not even once during the last 10 years. The subsidy has stopped, but the price continued to rise until it reached a whopping 1,160 rupees. Another failed guarantee of the BJP government. The next is employment. Creation of 2 crore jobs annually was the third guarantee of Modi and the BJP. But after securing the votes of people who believed in this promise, the Modi government cut almost half of the government jobs. Public sector enterprises have been sold to the likes of Adani, but you didn't get jobs even in those private sectors. As stated in the India Employment Report of 2024, the unemployment rate among the youth of India is at a whopping 83%. Once the young people considered jobs in the armed forces to be prestigious and secure. But the BJP government has turned those jobs into a mere 4-year contract work. Another failed guarantee for sure. The promise of employment has thus been turned into a lie. The next guarantee was curbing the black money. Modi promised that he would recover all the black money in the country and abroad, which should put 15 lakh rupees in each citizen's pocket. Forget 15 lakh, not even a single citizen ever received 15 rupees in their account. Modi banned 500 and 1,000 rupees notes on November 8, 2016, claiming to bring back all black money in the country. 99% of these notes returned and the country's wealth system collapsed. The country's economy suffered a severe blow. What did the RBI say? Even the Reserve Bank of India explicitly agrees that demonetization was a total failure. In 2014, when the exchange value of the rupee was 62 rupees to a dollar, Modi came to power saying that he would make it 40 rupees. Today, if you pay 84 rupees, you will get $1. He failed not only his guarantees, but also the economy of the country. Another big guarantee failure of the BJP government. The next guarantee was the safety of women. Modi promised that he would protect the women in the country and was even ready to sacrifice his life to protect their lives. But hundreds of women were killed in Manipur under the watch of the BJP state government. Modi has neither visited Manipur nor spoken a single word until this moment against the atrocities faced by the women who were publicly raped and paraded naked. 7 wrestlers, including India's only women Olympic medalist in wrestling, Sakshi Malik, had to protest on the streets after the government ignored their complaints against the BJP MP and Wrestling Federation President Brij Bhushan, who has 2 FIRs against him for sexual assault, one of them a POCSO case. What did Modi and BJP do? They protected Brij Bhushan under their wings and manhandled the protesting wrestlers in the street. This is how Modi and the wretched BJP guarantee the safety of women in India. Controlling price rise, another fake guarantee. The government 10 years back promised that the price rise in the country would be controlled. The prices of the essential commodities is now soaring, and now the country is ranked as low as 111th position in the global hunger index. The farmers of the country took it to the streets after the Modi government failed in its promise to stop hoarding and end black market to protect the farmers. Instead of offering them support, the Modi government rammed bulldozers into the protesting farmers in Delhi and shot them down and treated them like terrorists. The biggest fake guarantee was the end of corruption. BJP came into power claiming that they would end corruption. But then they created and executed the biggest scam that India has ever seen, the electoral bonds. They threatened business enterprises and individuals using the ED and extorted money from them in the name of electoral bonds. Corrupt businessmen and politicians has now become clean overnight if they join BJP and donate money to them. They secured more than 6,000 crores through the electoral bonds into the party fund. The Modi administration takes corrupt money and keeps corruption in its pocket. This is the biggest fake guarantee that Modi still continues to preach. After ruling and traumatizing us for the past 10 years with false promises and proving that they cannot deliver what they promise, the creators of the biggest corruption in India are yet again coming to us with more fake guarantees. Will you fall for the fake guarantees, or will you think, evaluate and vote honestly to end this regime of false promises? Do we need any more fake guarantees from BJP? Should we trust Modi's guarantee, or should we trust our own lives? The failed guarantee of BJP that has shattered the lives of millions of people in India.